The future isn't something we wait for. It's something we wake up into every single day. In the quiet of morning, even technology feels gentle, serving not to impress but to support, and the smallest rituals become beautiful again. No rush, no noise, just movement with meaning. Time is finally ours to reclaim. We stopped teaching answers and started inspiring questions. Curiosity became the new curriculum. Care is not about who provides it, but how it feels. Kindness at its best is universal. We didn't lose connection to the past. We found new ways to love, to laugh, to play. Even the way we feed the world changed. Cleaner, smarter, still grown with care. Work followed us outdoors, but peace stayed within. Balance became a choice, not a struggle. We faced the storm and chose to heal the world instead of fear it. We stopped asking if AI could replace us and started asking how it could walk beside us. And in the end, we looked back at Earth, not with regret, but with wonder. A reminder, the future is not a place, it's a feeling, and it begins with us.